In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear upper control arm on your Ford Focus. This will be located behind the wheel. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 4 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pop the arm out of the knuckle. Working our way under the car, we're going to get our second bolt for the control arm. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bolt. Remove the control arm out of the vehicle. You can use a pry bar to help you if you need it. Install the control arm. Get the control arm installed into the back bracket. Using a pry bar to help me get it installed and the bolt holes lined up. Get the bolt installed and started by hand. Get the control arm installed into the knuckle. I'm going to use a pry bar at the base of the knuckle to help me list it over. Get the bolt started. Get the bolt started in the back. Snug the bolt down. Using a jack to push up on the suspension, we're putting the wheel on and putting the car on the ground. We're going to want to load the suspension before we torque our control arm bolts. We're going to be using a jack and pushing up on the lower control arm. We're going to push up till we have the suspension in a good loaded state. If you're using a jack to lift up on the control arm, be sure you're not picking your car off of your lift points. Torque the control arm bolts to 85 foot-pounds. Remove the jack. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the wheels to 94 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. Once you're done with this job, take your car to a local shop and have them do an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.